Hey guys, my name is Evelyn Kim, and for today's video, we'll be going over Wylock's 3rd grade math curriculum. Topics we'll be going to discuss in today's video include addition, multiplication, division, and word problems. Let's get started with our first topic, addition. Number 1, they give us the equation 200 plus 60 plus 3. First, we need to align the numbers vertically so it's easy for us to solve. 200 plus 60 plus 3. 3 plus 0 equals 3. 6 plus 0 equals 6. Bring down the 2. Our final answer for 200 plus 60 plus 3 should equal 263. Number 2, 40 plus 2. We align the numbers vertically, and then we add. 0 plus 2 equals 2. Bring down the 4. Our final answer for 40 plus 2 should equal 42. Number 3, 20 plus 2. Same thing. Line the numbers vertically. 2 plus 0 equals 2. Bring down the 2. Our final answer is 22. 20 plus 2 equals 22. Number 7, 5,000 plus 30. Align the numbers vertically. Now we add. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 0 plus 3 equals 3. 0. Bring down the 0. Bring down the 5. Our final answer is 5,030. 5,000 plus 30 equals 5,030. Number 8, 400 plus 9. I aligned the numbers vertically. 9 plus 0 equals 9. Bring down the 0, bring down the 4. Our final answer for 400 plus 9 equals 409. Last but not least, they give us the equation 400 plus 10 plus 8. I'm going to line the numbers vertically so it's easy for us to solve. 400 plus 10 plus 8. 8 plus 0 equals 8. 1 plus 0 equals 1. We bring down the 4. Our final answer for 400 plus 10 plus 8 equals 418. Second topic is division, and it's asking us to divide. Number 1, they give us the equation 15 divided by 3. Well, we know from basic common factors, we know that 3 times 5 equals 15. And 5 times 3 equals 15. Therefore, 15 divided by 3 should equal 5. And you might be wondering, how do you know that? Well, all these equations are they're all interconnected because they are factor family. As a result, we know that 3 times 5 equals 15 and 5 times 3 equals 15. So this only means that 15 divided by 3 groups should equal 5. Number 2, 68 divided by 2. This situation is a little bit different from number 1 because number 1 are basic factors. However, for number 2, they give us a bigger number, which makes it harder to divide. Let's format it in our division form. 2 goes into 6 3 times because 2 times 3 equals 6, and then we subtract 6 from 6, and 6 minus 6 should equal 0. From there, we bring down the 8. 2 goes into 8, or 2 times what number equals 8. We need to figure that out, and that what number should be 4 because 2 goes into 8 4 times. 2 times 4 equals 8. 8 minus 8 equals 0. Therefore, our final answer for 68 divided by 2 should equal 34. Number 11, 8 divided by 4. Well, we know from basic common factors, we know that 2 times 4 equals 8. And 4 times 2 also equals 8. Therefore, based off these interconnected equations, we should infer that 8 divided by 4 equals 2. Last but not least, number 12, 30 divided by 5. Well, we know that 5 times 6 equals 30, and 6 times 5 equals 30. And we also know that 30 divided by 6 equals 5. Therefore, 30 divided by 5 should equal 6, because 6 is our factor. Third topic is multiplication, and it's asking us to add the numbers. Multiply the numbers below. Number 1, 5 times 4. 5 times 4 can also be referred as 5 groups of 4, so let's draw that out. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We now have a total of 5 groups and 4 circles. Now we need to individually add all these circles up to find our final answer. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So our final answer for 5 groups of 4, or 5 times 4, should equal 20. Number 11, 6 times 6. We can approach this problem the same way as we did for number 1. However, let's take a different turn. 6 times 6 can also be referred as 6 added to itself 6 times. So let's write that out. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. We know that 6 plus 6 equals 12. 12 plus 6 equals 18. 18 plus 6 should equal 24. 24 plus 6 should equal 30. And 30 plus 6 should equal 36. Therefore, 6 times 6, or 6 added to itself 6 times, should equal 36. Last topic is word problems, and it's asking us to solve the problems below. Number 1, it states, Kai has 50 crayons. He breaks 28 of them and loses half of the remaining crayons. How many crayons does he have left? Based off the word choice, we know that this is a 2-step problem. First, Kai breaks 28 of his crayons, but then he also loses half. So in order to find this, we first need to subtract 28 from 50 to find how many crayons he had remaining after breaking 28 of them. 50 minus 28. We can't subtract 8 from 0, so we borrow from the tens place. 5 becomes a 4, 0 becomes a 10. 10 minus 8 should equal 2. 4 minus 2 should also equal 2. So therefore, Kai has 22 crayons after breaking 28 of them. However, he loses half of the remaining crayons. That means we need to divide 22 divided by 2. 2 goes into 2 one time. 2 minus 2 equals 0. We bring down 2. 2 goes into 2 one time again. 2 minus 2 equals 0. Therefore, after losing half of the remaining crayons, Kai should have a total of 11 crayons after breaking 28 of his 50 and losing half of his remaining. Number 2, Lucas has 22 different books. 5 of them are red, 9 of them are green, and the rest are black. How many books are black? This is also another 2-step problem. We know that 5 of them are green, and 9 of his books are 5 of them are red, and 9 of his books are green, and we want to know the remaining number, which are black. First, we need to add 5 plus 9 to determine how many books are not black. 5 plus 9 should equal 14. Now we subtract 22 and 14 to determine the remaining number of books. 22 minus 14. We can't subtract 4 from 2, so we borrow from the tens. 2 becomes a 1. 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 4 equals 8. 1 minus 1 equals 0. Therefore, Lucas has a remaining number of 8 books that are not red or green and instead are black. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you have a wonderful day.